Hey guys, we're gonna make a new game called World Chef. Hooray! Restaurant name. I'm gonna name it what am I gonna name it? Let's name it Mugats Mansfield. Man, it's gonna take me forever. Restaurant name. Years ago. Ugh. 5 years ugh. Can I change it? I can't change it. Well, I guess it's their name. Tap on the table. They want just meat. They want meat. Wow. Okay, but they want meat. Okay. What is he doing? He's dancing / swacking the whole oven. Okay. Okay. Yum. They just want meat. Why do they want meat? Seriously. Woohoo! I thought they ate stuff. Whatever. Congratulations, you reached that level 2. So happy. Good place, almost cool as me. Can I join? Good shop. Sure. You will go right here. What are they doing? Okay. Woohoo, what does he make? He makes bread. Go to market. Oh my gosh, so many things. Make that stuff. Walk away.
What?
Stop dancing. Okay, woohoo, make 3 buns. Make 3 buns. And check and
Samuel,
Yep.
have you done your IXL?
yes. Stop it. Okay. Woohoo, this old man with a coat thing. Go to shop. He looks like some guy who would kill you. You're going in the corner for bad behavior. What are they doing? Looks like one's scraping the bag and one's hitting the bag. Whatever. Woohoo. Oh, they want a burger. Well, I guess they're gonna make one. Woohoo! Free. You get to eat your burger. Yum! You ate your burger. I see you are almost ready. Let's celebrate it by visiting a famous restaurant around here. Continue. Okay, old guy. Whatever you say. Sorry for calling him an old guy, but seriously. He's some creepy, weird old guy. Oh my gosh. He is creepy. Are you now? And then the waiter is standing on the wall. Then another waiter is smiling at me and standing on the wall. It's like where people murder. They have poker. Is that even poker? They have a blurred up piano. They have a salad bar. She's like, woohoo! Oh my gosh, where's the plate? What the heck? Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna look around this place. Wow, that's big. It's really big. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go. I think mine is much nicer. You know, actually, you have a lot less room than in Heyday. Bit. Loading. Hello. Wait, what the heck? What would that be on? Oh wait, I shouldn't turn that off. What? You need to cook a hamburger. Complete the order of one of your clients. Okay. Meh. What? Okay, that guy looks like he's in a relationship with her. Oh my gosh. He is gay. You can tell he's in love with her. He's in love with him. You. Yuck. Unless he's in love with her. You have no idea where I'm pointing. But you get it. Hopefully. You need to make bread because you want to. They all want burgers. What are you doing? You done? Just going to do that, and I'm going to put that there. What are you gonna do? Eat it? Why are you eating it with a spoon? She's eating that hamburger with a spoon, and she's not even moving her. Well, she's not opening her mouth, and she's asking. The chair is asking himself, "Can I stay here forever?" Of course you can, chair. Stop eating it with a spoon. Wait, we could make people rush off the table. Okay. Hey, you're the same lady. I guess you did wish you could stay there forever. Or wait, let me guess. You're gonna eat it. What the? There's an extra head to that little girl, and then she's thinking, om nom 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 nom. Only one of them's eaten. Exclamation mark. Yeah, buns. Guess I need some burgers. Yummy burgers. What do they want? They want those. Yeah, Woohoo! There you go. Tasty. That guy looks like he just came from high school. Oh, I have a murder place too. And I have this storage. Okay. Go. Get away. Okay, there's two people with skateboards. They're twins. They're no, that's not semi-twins. Whatever. They just need one burger. I'm gonna pause this episode. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, go. Just a minute. I'm gonna pause this again. Okay, I'm back. Oh, I get to. Where am I? Where am I? Okay. Where shall I? These are for the bad people. The people have. Actually. Nah. What? Ooh. Seriously, what is he doing? Let's see what the famous ones are. How could bread be spicy and how could a burger be spicy? I kind of like this game, but I kind of don't. I don't know. But if you didn't hear, this game is World Chef. Yay. Woohoo! Let me see. Here's that guy again. He's like me. I like dancing. I like dancing very much. And I got talents. He's like, oh, do you think I could do this? Well, I can. Okay. Then that guy is standing right there again. Whoa. Okay. He's making pizza. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna go back to my restaurant. Okay. Did you know you should place a lot of tables? Yeah. For the bad people, I'll place you right here. Bit, 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 bit. Woohoo! Great stuff. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to end it up here. If you like it, put it down, say it down in the comments down below. If you don't like it, say it down in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. And goodbye. Woohoo.